Hi, my love bugs. Happy Wednesday. Just thought I'd bring a little joy and put on my daughter's princess tiara and make this as fun as I can. All right, you ready? Let's go over our S blends. Sk, sk, sl, sm, sn, sp, st, swa. Great job. All right, my favorite nonsense words. You're going to give me a word that rhymes. Category today is things that we do with our feet. Things that we do with our feet. All right, we don't smick a ball, but we can kick a ball. Good. I don't go for a swalk, but I do go for a walk. Yeah. I can go hop and stip, but not stip. Skip. Good. I don't swand on 2 feet, but I stand on 2 feet. When I exercise, I'm not going to go for a smun, but I can go for a run. I cannot snup rope, but I certainly can jump rope. Yes, this is Madeline's favorite thing to do at the park. We don't go on a sping, but she likes me to push her on a swing. Good job, boys and girls. All right, I'm going to say a word. I want you to repeat it, and then you're going to identify the beginning S blend that you hear in the word. All right, so here we go. Spice. Beginning blend, sp. Good job. Store. Beginning blend, st. Sweeter. Sweeter. Beginning blend, sw. Snore. Beginning blend, sn. Yes. Smoky, smoky. Beginning blend, sm. Sleeve. Beginning blend, sl. Sky, sky. Beginning blend, sk. Yes. Slice, slice. Beginning blend, sl. Great job. All right, now we're going to say it fast. Start your engines. Here we go. All right. Sp, ace. Space, ope, slope, sweet, sweet. Good. Snake, snake, oak, smoke, spine, spine, ski, skate, skate. Excellent. All right. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to say a word. I want you to listen for that S blend and tell me whether it's at the beginning of the word, the middle of the word, or the end of the word. Okay? So here we go. Wristwatch. Wristwatch. Did you hear that st in the middle of the word? Good. Desk. Desk. Did you hear that sk? And that was the final sound at the end of the word. Slender. Slender. Slender, by the way, is another word for thin or skinny. Slender. Beginning blend. Sl. Excellent. And that was at the beginning of the word. Standing. Standing. Yeah. Did you hear that st? And where was that st? Good. At the beginning of the word. Sorry, guys. My allergies today. All right. Dust. Maybe that's what's making my allergies. Maybe I should clean. Anyways, back on track. Dust. Did you hear that st? Yes, and it was that final sound at the end of the word. Good job. All right, now we're going to break it down. Word. Here we go. 4 sounds. There's a blend in the beginning. My word is stage. Stage. St-age. And break apart that st. St-age. Good job. Snail. Snail. That blend, the S blend in the beginning. Sn-a-o. Break apart that sn. Sn-a-o. Good job. The word is slice. 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 Break apart that sl. S-o-i-c. Slice. Good. Sky. Sky. In this case, 3 sounds that blend at the beginning. We've got sk, I. So break apart that sk, sk, I. Good job. Sleeve, sleeve. Okay, 4 sounds, beginning blend. Sl, E, v. Break apart that sl, s, o, e, v. Excellent, boys and girls. Smoke, smoke, sm, o, k, smoke. Break apart that sm, s, m, o, k, smoke. Nicely done. And notice, just like we had talked about yesterday, you're going to hear lots of long vowel sounds. You're going to hear the vowel say its name. Okay, like when we said sky, and when we heard stage, you heard that A say its name. Okay, all right, now what we're going to do is we are going to change out the beginning blend in a word and make a new one. My word is snore, sn, or. Change that sn to a st, store. Good job. Sky, sk, I. Change that sk to a sp, spy. Good. Slow, sl, o. Change the sl to a sn, snow. Steep, st, eep. Change the st to a sl, sleep. The word is snake, sn, ache. Change the sn to a st, steak. Beautiful. All right, now what we're going to do is I'm going to give you a word, and you're going to add the s sound to the beginning. So go ahead and make an S blend at the beginning of our word. My word is tour, tour. Add s to the beginning, store. Good. My word is poke. Add s to the beginning, spoke. My word is late. Add s to the beginning, slate. My word is pace. Add s to the beginning, space. My word is lime. Add s to the beginning, slime you. All right. And then last, we're going to take that S sound out of the beginning, and we're going to take away that S blend. Okay? So here we go. My word is steam. Take away that S. What's left? Team. My word is skate. Skate. Take away that S. What's left? Kate. My word is steak. Steak. Take away that S. What's left? Take. Good. My word is sleep. Sleep. Take away that S. What's left? Leap. Good job. Nicely done, boys and girls. Nicely done. All right, let's go ahead and stretch and spell a few words with some S blends. All right. What I'm going to teach you guys today is one way that you can make a vowel say its name. Okay? So we're going to practice some of our long vowels. So the word I want us to stretch and spell is the word skate, right? So I'm going to hold up 4 fingers because there's 4 sounds. Sk, a, t. Okay? There's 4 sounds in there. So I've got sk, a, t. All right. So if I'm going to go ahead and do that beginning blend, sk, a, t, sk. Now this says sk, at. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this little guy right here, sneaky silent E, towards the end. And if I have an E at the end of the word, I find the next closest vowel, which is A, right? Because our vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. And the E goes over, it pinches the A, and it makes the A yell its name, A! And we call him sneaky silent E because he doesn't make a sound, okay? He does not make a sound. He is actually connected to that vowel. But in order to make this happen, there can only be one consonant in between those 2 vowels. So another way you can call this is A-E, okay? Or you can call it sneaky silent E, but either way it's going to make the A say its name. So sk, a, t, skate. Okay, you guys did excellent. All right, I will see you, Love Muffins, on Thursday. Love you and happy Wednesday.